The Chinook can carry its own weight over, and it does it all at speed, flying up to 320 kilometers an hour, which is what you need when you're in danger. We're still under fire, and the helicopter's been hit. And it's not just the helicopter that's taken a bullet. Our pilot's been shot too.
Right, so just to let you know, it took a round through my front windscreen, which came up and hit me on the head.
But after even being hit in the head, pilot Ian got us all back to Camp Bastion safely.
I can't believe that. It's Chomper. He's the pilot. He flew that back after being shot in the face.
However, it's their lasting durability that saved my life and all the others on board that day. For his bravery, pilot Ian Fulton received a Distinguished Flying Cross. But all Chinook crews perform remarkable feats every day in their machines. And it gives me great pleasure to introduce to you the RAF Chinook Display Team.
Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to the 2012 Chinook display team here at RIAT. My name is Lieutenant Carl Thomas and I will be your commentator during the display today. Today the Chinook Mark II is flown by Flight Lieutenant Paul Farmer, his co-pilot Justin Shaw and crewman Sergeant Dan Temple. Between them today the crew have completed over 26 tours of duty in Afghanistan. As the aircraft approaches Cloud Centre, it's an opportunity for us to demonstrate to you the unique ability of the Chinook helicopter to fly sideways. As they do this, please show your appreciation to our crew by giving them a big wave to pass along the cloud line. As the aircraft passes, you will notice the three hooks used for carrying unslung loads. These can hold up to 10.5 metric tons. It's a great ability to carry three external loads simultaneously while still carrying a large internal load, made the Chinook famous the world over as the workhorse of the Afghan theatre. The aircraft today weighs 15 tons, so you can see it's still a highly movable, making it an ideal battlefield helicopter, especially suited to medical evacuation role. These evacuations normally involve fast, high-paced manoeuvres to quickly extract casualties from the battlefield, normally under enemy fire. As we look straight ahead, we will see the Chinook making its approach to the centre of the field for the Morgan turn, named after squadron leader Dave Morgan, the previous display pilot who retired this year, flying the Chinook for longer than our display captain Paul Farmer has been alive. Will now perform the seesaw, a manoeuvre made up of two opposed pedal turns, similar to stall turns in the fixed-wing world. Anyone familiar with theme parks will know the next manoeuvre, the roller coaster. The aircraft executes its final manoeuvre to depart. Ladies and gentlemen, please put your hands together for the 2012 Chinook display team.
Thanks there, a tremendous display as always from the Royal Air Force Chinook, my local aircraft from down at Oldham in Hampshire. Really, really good to see that large helicopter being flown in that manner. Great sight as always here at Fairford with the Royal Air Force Chinook display. And performing very few shows this year, I believe, so we're privileged to see here the Chinook force, of course, very heavily engaged in operations, particularly in Afghanistan, and this is a topic to which we'll return later on when we see the RAF's tankers and transports. Indeed, the next item is one which is